Discover the future of innovation with this groundbreaking new gadget, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled functionality. Elevate your everyday experience with a device designed to transform the way you live and work. NextTube. Add a touch of nostalgic elegance to your space with NextTube. Modern display that pays homage to the classic Nixie clocks of yesteryear. This unique timepiece fuses the vintage allure of Nixie tubes, contemporary technology, creating a visually stunning display that captures the essence of retro design while offering modern functionality. NextTube features a crisp, bright display that showcases time with a distinctive, warm glow reminiscent of the original Nixie tube. Sleek, modern design seamlessly integrates into any decor, serving as both a functional timepiece and a striking decorative element. Perfect for collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates a blend of classic and contemporary aesthetics. NextTube is a conversation piece that brings timeless charm and sophistication to your environment. Pimax step into a new dimension of virtual reality with the Pimax 8K VR headset. The world's first 8K resolution VR headset sets a new standard for immersive experience. This revolutionary headset offers an unprecedented level of clarity and detail, with an 8K resolution that delivers stunningly sharp visuals and vibrant colors. The wide field of view further enhances the sense of immersion, making virtual environments feel more expansive and lifelike. Equipped with advanced optics and precision engineering, Pimax 8K provides a smooth and seamless VR experience that immerses you in your digital worlds with remarkable realism. Ideal for gamers, VR enthusiasts, and professionals seeking the pinnacle of virtual reality technology. Pimax 8K transforms your VR adventures into breathtaking journey. UV Mask experience superior protection and comfort with UV Mask, the next generation reusable face mask, designed to safeguard you from airborne pollutants and pathogens. This innovative mask features a high-performance filtration system that effectively traps contaminants, allergens, and microorganisms, ensuring clean and safe air with every breath. The UVC light technology integrated into the mask continuously disinfects its surface, maintaining hygiene and extending the mask's lifespan. The ergonomic design prioritizes comfort with adjustable straps and breathable materials that ensure a snug fit without compromising on wearability. UV Mask represents a leap forward in personal protection, combining advanced air purification with cutting-edge technology to offer a reliable and convenient solution for navigating today's environment. UGREEN NAS Sync series. Transform how you store and manage your data with the UGREEN NAS Sync series. Premier network-attached storage system offers unparalleled control and security over your digital asset. This sophisticated device allows you to create your personal cloud storage, providing seamless access to your files from any location with internet connectivity. Its robust hardware supports large storage capacity, ensuring that all your important documents, photos, videos, and backups are securely housed. The UGREEN NAS Sync series features advanced encryption protocols to protect your data from unauthorized access, while its user-friendly interface makes organizing and retrieving files a breeze. Whether you're a small business owner, creative professional, or a tech enthusiast, the NAS Sync series delivers exceptional performance and peace of mind, empowering you to manage your data with confidence and convenience. Pecker 2. Unlock your creative potential with the Pecker 2, a high-speed handheld laser engraver and cutter that brings precision and versatility to your fingertips. This cutting-edge tool is engineered to handle a diverse range of materials, including wood, leather, acrylic, and metal, allowing you to personalize and craft with ease. The Pecker 2 boasts an impressive engraving speed, ensuring that even complex designs are completed quickly and efficiently. Its intuitive interface and adjustable settings give you full control over your projects, whether you're working on intricate patterns or large-scale customizations. Lightweight and portable, the Pecker 2 is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals who seek a compact yet powerful solution for their engraving and cutting needs. Elevate your DIY projects, gift-making, and artistic creations with this revolutionary tool. Anker Sol F3800. Anker Sol F3800, a cutting-edge device engineered to deliver exceptional power with minimal effort. Designed for high-demand applications, this powerful unit offers impressive output capabilities. Whether you're powering multiple devices, handling intensive electronics, or charging high-capacity batteries, its advanced technology ensures efficient power distribution, optimizing performance while conserving energy. The Sol F3800 features a sleek, modern design that integrates seamlessly into any environment, from home offices to professional workspaces. With its user-friendly controls and reliable performance, this device makes managing power needs effortless, allowing you to focus on your tasks without worrying about power limitations. The Anker Sol F3800 represents the pinnacle of efficiency and power, making it an indispensable tool for anyone seeking reliable prime. Bird Buddy. Transform your backyard into a high-tech birdwatching haven with Bird Buddy, the innovative smart bird feeder that takes birdwatching to the next level. Equipped with advanced AI technology, Bird Buddy can accurately identify and track various bird species as they visit your feeder. Through its companion app, you receive real-time notifications and detailed information about the birds, enhancing your birdwatching experience with fascinating insights. The app also allows you to contribute to bird conservation efforts by participating in citizen science projects. Designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, Bird Buddy is built to withstand the elements while providing a clear view of the avian visitors. It's the perfect addition to any outdoor space, offering both educational value and a touch of technological sophistication for bird enthusiasts all ages. Yatu Motion Simulator Chair. Immerse yourself in the ultimate gaming and simulation experience with the Yatu Motion Simulator and Smart Chair. This groundbreaking setup combines state-of-the-art motion simulation technology with ergonomic comfort to create an unparalleled immersive experience. The motion simulator provides realistic feedback that synchronizes with your virtual environment, making every movement, turn, and acceleration feel authentic. The Smart Chair is designed with customizable settings to ensure optimal comfort and support, allowing you to game or simulate for extended periods without discomfort. Whether you're a gamer, a flight simulation enthusiast, or someone seeking a more engaging experience, the Yatu offers a unique blend of technology and comfort that will transport you into the heart of the action. Elevate your gaming sessions and simulations with this advanced, all-encompassing setup. Metafly. Soar to new heights with Metafly, an innovative flying experience designed to revolutionize aerial exploration. This cutting-edge device blends advanced technology with intuitive controls to deliver a seamless and exhilarating flight experience. Metafly offers precise handling and real-time feedback, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced flyers. Its sleek, aerodynamic design ensures stability and agility, allowing you to navigate the skies with ease. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial footage, engaging in recreational flying, or simply exploring new perspectives, Metafly provides a thrilling and immersive experience that pushes the boundaries of traditional flight. Experience the freedom and excitement of flying like never before with Metafly.